So guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing soursop and pineapple drink. So guys, those are new to the channel, welcome. Those who are subscribed already and on this journey with me, thank you for always be here and thank you for the support. My name is Michelle, but this channel name is Michibu. So guys, let's get into the soursop drink. So guys, here we have my soursop, and I am going to be doing the soursop with a pineapple. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut my soursop and then I'm going to pick the seeds out, okay? So that's it. So I'm going to go in, put our gloves on, and I'm going to pick these out off camera. Okay guys, so see you when I pick everything out. So guys, here I have my soursop. I've put it in the fridge and it is well cool. So guys, I am going to peel a pineapple. Well, I'm going to use half of this. I'm going to use half of it to put in my soursop. And this is a lovely combination, guys, with the soursop that's loaded with so much benefits already, and the pineapple that is good for inflammation with the bromelain in it. We'll just top it off. So guys, I hope you will try this drink. I've washed my pineapple from last night and I put my soursop overnight to cool in the fridge. So I'm going to just slice them. The way in which they can go into the juicer. And I will take the core out, but I won't throw away the core, guys. I will use the core in my pineapple drink that I'm gonna boil with the skin. So I'll cut these so they can go in the juicer. I could put them in the part for the carrot, but I rather just cut them like this. So let's see how much juice we are gonna get out of this entire soursop that I showed you before. And now I took the seeds out. So guys, there is my pineapple all cut up and ready to go in my juicer with my soursop. And the soursop is so sweet. So guys, let's go. So guys, I've popped my soursop in along with some pineapple. And guys, this fruit is a miraculous fruit. It is so good. I used to just pick it off the tree in Jamaica and eat it. It is good to help with cancer, fighting all those diseases, build up the immune system. It also have vitamin C and cortisone. So guys, everyone should try this drink. So guys, the soursop has soothing properties that act on the central nervous system. Those compounds interact with the serotonin and it helps with responsibility for the mood. So it helps with the nerves. So guys, you know, I think everyone should try and drink this juice. We live on this drink in Jamaica. We normally have it on Sundays when we're having Sunday dinner. It's like the norm. So guys, Soursop also help with your eye health. It has something in there named lutein. It helps to improve the eye health. So guys, I am gonna let out my first batch of Soursop and pineapple. Look at that, guys. So I have a small amount of Soursop leaf. So I'm gonna put it through the juicer. So guys, did you know that Soursop stabilizes blood pressure? It is rich in potassium and a contribution factor to the high blood pressure is sodium intake. So high blood pressure may lead to serious illness like heart disease. So this drink is really good for us. So guys, as I continue to put my Soursop in my Kuvings Revo830, it might look a bit messy at the top, but it's okay because I'm juicing. So guys, I hope you all will try this drink. We all have this drink back home, and I was so happy to find it in Australia. So guys, here I have a lemon in my hand. I've peeled some of it off and I leave a little bit of the skin on it. So it has a lot of benefit, the skin. So this I'm gonna add to my juicer. And this is my second batch of Soursop and pineapple juice, which has a lot of benefits. I will link the description. You all know that pineapple is good for inflammation, so these two together is a very good combination. So guys, I hope you all will try. So guys, my second batch of juice is ready, and this is it. So guys, I'm gonna turn my juicer on and pump the rest of this Soursop and the pineapple. Very powerful juice, guys. So let's get into the serving of my drink. I'm gonna serve up my drink, and Soursop is good for cancer, guys, I tell you. But first, I'm gonna cut my lemon in half and then use a slice. I'm gonna use this to put here. So guys, let's pour out my Soursop and pineapple drink. No sugar added, guys, no sugar. So guys, subscribe to the channel for more. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. So guys, I've added pineapple to my Soursop, however the Soursop is finished. So I'll just put just a piece of pineapple, and I've used some lemon in the drink. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend, and see you in the next video, guys. Have a lovely weekend. I'm just gonna add some ice in my drink. So guys, enjoy the video, and I hope you guys will try this video. Thank you for watching. There goes my Soursop drink. is the trash.